Hey guys, it's Des with T-Mobile, and this is the OnePlus 8 5G unboxing. I know we're staying home and staying safe right now, so we looked for a little adventure right in our own backyard. Cue that epic music. The OnePlus 8 5G is ready to rock the new T-Mobile nationwide 5G network. With its beautiful display, enhanced triple camera, and impressive processor, it's a stunning powerhouse. And we've shot just about all of this video with the new OnePlus 8 5G. Hey, there's ours now. First, inside the box you'll find documentation, the new OnePlus 8 5G, a Warp Charge 30T charging cable, and a Warp Charge 30T charger. Next, let's take a look at the key features. 48, 16, and 2 megapixel enhanced triple camera system, 4300 milliamp hour battery, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, Warp Charge 30T fast charging, and it runs Oxygen 10.5 based on Android 10. Next up, the display. It's a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED fluid display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate and support for HDR10+. The enhanced triple camera shoots in up to 4K 60 frames per second to keep your shots looking epic, and it has improved video stabilization, so when you're filming those solo neighborhood rides, they'll look smooth. The triple camera also takes great photos from around your house, including your dog Wally, bees and flowers, and even veggies. Yeah, you still gotta eat your veggies. And the OnePlus 8 5G is IP68 dust and water resistant, because you never know when your phone's gonna take a spill. Sweet! Okay, so let's recap. New T-Mobile nationwide 5G, Warp 30T fast charging, enhanced triple camera system, beautiful immersive design, gorgeous display, and it comes in Onyx Black and Interstellar Glow. Drop a comment and let me know which color you like. For more information, check us out at tmobile.com. This has been Des for T-Mobile. Thanks for watching.